What's up, everybody? I'm Cynthia, aka Celent, better known as Beat Content by Celent. I just wanted to introduce myself to you guys. It's my first video. I'm starting a new YouTube channel. I'm an up-and-coming makeup artist. I just started. I'm self-taught, but I'm willing to learn from anybody. So, yeah, but other than that, I'm 29, from Chicago, then lived in Georgia. Y'all caught me in the middle of the 25 Days of Christmas challenge, so I figured since I got this Grinch look on, I'll go ahead and introduce myself so y'all can see what I'm capable of. This is my first time doing a Grinch look, my first time doing 25 Days of Christmas, my first time doing makeup live for anybody or showing anybody my anything. Like, I'm new to this and I got a lot of plans, I got a lot of ideas. I know y'all gonna enjoy this, well at least I hope y'all do. I'm cool, like y'all vibe with me. I ain't no uptight person, I'm just cooling. This is day 7. Y'all missed a couple of them, but I'll put the sped up videos on here later. But I just really wanted to introduce myself, say hey, let y'all know, like y'all can follow my Facebook page. I got Beat Content by Celent Lent, Instagram Celent Lent. I'm sorry y'all, I'm a little nervous, but yeah. Follow me and don't forget to like this page. Subscribe, ring the bell so you can get the little notifications. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope y'all enjoy my page. I have a lot of new stuff coming for y'all. Bye. Thank you.